The metaverse craze has temporarily cooled off, but one metaverse token is refusing to back down. It's called Bloktopia. If you've been following the chart and trend on social media, you'll realize that the general sentiment around Bloktopia is bullish. We absolutely align with the sentiment and believe that this coin has the potential to times 2, times 5, or even times 10 in the coming weeks. Why do we think so? Keep watching to find out. Please note that the details provided in this video are solely for educational and informational purposes only and should not be understood or taken as investment advice. We do not offer any guarantee or assurance regarding the information contained herein. Many look back nowadays to the times when the metaverse was in its purest form and devoid of investors. For most candidates, the flashback down memory lane is done with lots of regrets, as they're left wondering if they should have invested more when the opportunity presented itself. It's not like we've lived 1,000 years since then, but a lot has definitely changed within the virtual reality world of metaverse since those early days of low popularity. Indeed, the metaverse has become relatively congested. The world's largest social media platform, Facebook, joined and decided to adopt the first 4 letters of our beloved metaverse as its new name. Apple joined the metaverse too, in a bid to continue its real-life beef with Facebook. Oh, sorry, I mean Meta, right? A whole lot of corporate brands have registered their presence in the metaverse. Nike, Microsoft, Adidas, Gucci, Crocs, Puma, JP Morgan, and many more. The list is practically endless. So many individual investors are trooping in by the day as well. But as the saying goes, the sky is wide enough to accommodate all the birds without collisions, meaning there's still enough space for you in the metaverse. Yes, you too can move into the metaverse and rub shoulders with the big guns. But how? I understand your fears. You probably think these massive companies have enough financial power to blow out any competition for space and rewards within the metaverse. You're not wrong. They have the capacity to sort of dominate the market and get all the big payouts for themselves. However, these companies only have a presence in established metaverse platforms such as Decentraland and Sandbox. So if you move to a less competitive metaverse environment with good potential, you might be in for a huge payout yourself. Right now, if we are to pick one of the such metaverse projects that will most likely yield high returns, we cannot look further than Bloktopia, and that's simply because multiple key indicators are pointing in the same direction. Just to refresh our minds a bit, Bloktopia is a relatively new metaverse project that's built on the Polygon blockchain. It's basically a 21-story virtual reality skyscraper where you can invest, socialize, sell NFTs, and also develop your own virtual real estate. So you see, there are a lot of opportunities in Bloktopia. Despite only bursting onto the scene a few months ago, Bloktopia has shown a lot of promise. It's already listed on KuCoin and OKEx. We have no doubts there's more to come from this token, and that's why we've decided to do this video. Let's start with some good old tokenomics. At the time of making this video, Bloktopia has a selling price of 0.014 and a market cap at around $122,768,016, meaning there's still enough room for the token to explode. Example, for the price of Bloktopia to times 2, we'll need the market cap to double. Let's do the math real quick. $122,768,016 times 2 equals $245,536.32. That means for the price of Bloktopia to reach $0.028, the market cap has to hit $245,536,032. What if we decide to aim for the stars and say Bloktopia will times 100 from this point and sell for $1.4? If we multiply the market cap by 100, we will get 12,276,801,600. Sounds like a lot, right? Well, not exactly. For context, Cardano, ADA, has a selling price of $0.79 and a market cap of over 25 billion. So imagine if Bloktopia were to reach a market cap of 25 billion. That would be over 200 times. But then, all these are just speculations, so it would be nice to know what the experts are saying about Bloktopia. Apparently, expert opinion is in sync with the bullish sentiments around Bloktopia. Coindex, a cryptocurrency data platform, predicts an 8.48% rise in the price of Bloktopia by March 18th. That surge is expected to be sustained for the next couple of months, and the token is well on track to do 40 or 50 times before the year runs out. These predictions are drawn from historical data and key indicators, so there's a pretty good chance that they'll happen. But please remember that nothing, I mean absolutely nothing, is certain in the crypto world. Before you invest any amount whatsoever, ensure to do your research. Alright, back to business. But before then, if you've made it this far, please make sure to like and subscribe for more insightful content like this. We're back in 3, 2, 1, 0. Alright, let's face it. The sentiment around blockchain is bullish, and the experts have given us the green light to go ahead and invest. But you still have that tiny little bit of doubt. The following reasons will hopefully make you have a change of heart. Number 1. The big brands want to live in Bloktopia, and so should you. Since the project was first announced, Bloktopia has been gathering a lot of positive buzz from different big brands. Last year in September, during a funding round, Bloktopia was able to raise $4.2 million from several investors, including Anamika Brands, Polygon, Shima Capital, TKX Capital, KuCoin Labs, Duck DAO, Dreamboat Capital, Magnus Capital, Jake Paul, Polygon, BitBoy, Wendy O, X21, Genblock, A21, and Avalanche. Leading Polkadot project Engine has also set up its headquarters in Bloktopia. Think about it. These brands wouldn't be falling over themselves to invest in Bloktopia if the project didn't have potential. Number 2. Good entry level. Whether you're investing in cryptocurrencies, NFTs, or in the metaverse, the importance of having a good entry level cannot be overemphasized. It puts you in the position of advantage such that even when the market is depressed sometime in the future, you will still be in profit. If that's the type of stuff you want from Bloktopia, then there's no better time to invest than now. First and foremost, the market is kind of underperforming, so basically every token around is selling for a discount. In Bloktopia's case, it's even better because the token is literally selling for dirt cheap. In fact, investing in this project around this point would not be a good entry level. It would be an excellent entry level. Number 3, you stand a chance of winning cool prizes. Another good thing about living in Bloktopia is you get to participate in competitions and events that qualify you to win several real-life prizes. Sometime last year, the Bloktopia development team organized a competition to give out a Lamborghini. A real-life Lamborghini. How cool is that? Soon we'll be sharing our time between real-life and virtual reality world called metaverse. When that time comes, Bloktopia will for sure be one of the most luxurious, entertaining, and rewarding metaverse environments around. Will it be profitable enough to make you a millionaire? The signs look good, but only time will tell. Will you be looking to add Bloktopia to your portfolio? Let us know in the comment section down below. And be sure to check out this video over here, the impact of the Russia-Ukraine crisis on the crypto market.